Every single person has a financial thermostat, and it's an internal belief of how much money they believe they could earn every single month. And sometimes they'll earn more, sometimes they'll earn less, but they'll average off on this belief set of what they internally believe they're worth every single month. Some people believe they're worth $1,000 a month, like no matter what they do, they're going to average off at attracting $1,000 per month. Some people think they're $5,000 a month earner. Some people think they're a 50,000. Sorry, I just burped there. 50,000 a month earner. Some people believe they're $1 million a month earner. Like Grant Cardone, I believe on his last video said he makes $3 million a week, right? And so every person's financial thermostat is different from other people's. The cool thing is the reason why you make what you make per month is because that's what you believe you are worth each month in terms of financial, not as a human being, not as a member of society, but as a financial earner. That's what you believe you're worth per month. And you could go ahead and calculate that and kind of divide that by every month and figure out, man, this is what I earn per month. And this belief set comes from all the information that you feed yourself and also all the information that you've gathered since you were a kid. And watching your parents have money issues, watching television and learning about money skills, all that internal belief of all the information and experiences that you had in your life causes you to figure out a belief set of what you think you could create or attract in your life every single month. And you cannot outperform your own self image, your own belief set of what that thermostat is. And all you got to do, if you really want to change that, is figure out how to increase this thermostat. So let's say you make 5,000 a month right now and you're like, I want to get to $10,000 a month. The way you do it is you have to change your internal belief set and turn that thermostat up to believe you're an actual 10,000 a month earner. And the way to do that is a number of factors. One is you have to start feeding yourself new information. You have to use your imagination to start picturing yourself as a 10,000 a month earner, and figure out, what do 10,000 a month earners do, right? What do they do different that I do not currently do right now? And you're going to figure out a bunch of ideas and realize that 10,000 a month earners think a little differently, they act a little differently, and they picture things in their minds a little bit differently. And so you're going to have to live in the world of imagination and study and feeding yourself all kinds of good things to raise that financial thermostat up. Hang around 10,000 a month earners, 20,000 a month earners, read books of people who are making that much, get into circles around people who are making that much, and you're going to realize your energy is going to increase, your belief set is going to increase, and you're going to step into that reality where you're a 10,000 a month earner. And I realized that um, when my income increased, and I jumped from 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 a month. um, it wasn't I wasn't doing much things differently, but my belief and my thinking was different. I would do all the same things, and knowing that my belief and my internal uh, thermostat went up, I started to earn a lot more money. And so you have to reprogram your mind to figure out what level and how to increase your level of belief to get to those higher levels to earn more money. See, everyone could be doing the exact same thing, but if you do things in a certain way with your belief and the way you think and the pictures you're picturing of your head of who you are, you increase that energy, and all of a sudden the results change, and it's such an amazing thing. That's your financial thermostat that you have inside.